Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a vanity tour video. I feel like you guys have been requesting this for so long, so I finally thought I'd sit down and film this video for you guys. I feel like every video I post, there's at least one or two comments asking for a vanity tour or what I keep on my vanity videos. So I'm finally here to share that with you guys. And basically what I keep on my vanity is either products I absolutely love and reach for on a daily basis, or products that I think are pretty and I like to display just because of their packaging, or products that are more special or something like that. That's usually what I keep up on my vanity. So if you guys want to see all of that, just keep on watching. All right, so welcome to my vanity, guys. I'm just gonna start right over here and we're just gonna work our way across so I can really show you everything. So first of all, I have my little Echo here. I just keep this here because it's really easy. It has the time, I can play music while I'm getting ready, and I do have the portable charging stand on here too. I did a whole video on this, I can link that down below, but that's really just convenient because it just stays there. Then I have my little salt lamp, which I think is so cute. I love this thing. It's not currently plugged in. And then I have some Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I use this as a body moisturizer. I love it just because it sinks in right away, so keep it right here so it's nice and handy. Moving on, I have this little organizer, and this is actually from Staples, I believe. It's actually an envelope holder and it has this cute little design on it, and I actually use this to store my palettes. I keep a lot of my most used ones up here. So I have this Sonia Kashuk Ion Neutral Matte palette. It just has a bunch of great mattes, so I keep that up there. My Milani Gilded Desires palettes, it's one of my absolute favorites. You can see, well loved, so that just stays right up here. I have this ColourPop Yes Please palette, and yes, I know my palettes are dirty just because I use them a lot. Soft Glam from Anastasia. This one is literally so beaten up. I just love this palette. Then we have this Orlimar Cosmetics palette. I love the colors in this, and I love using the warm tones and glitters in here, and especially in the summer times, it's one of my favorites, so I just keep that up here. Then I have the Lorac Pro Classic, and then Modern Renaissance from Anastasia. So these are some of my most used, and they're just easy to reach for because they're right there. I should switch these out more than I do. I think I'm gonna start getting into that, where I switch out the palettes maybe once a month based on what I'm using and stuff, but those are the palettes I keep right there. Then let's get into my perfumes that I keep up on my vanity. So I have this Banana Republic 06 Black Platinum one. I love this. It's a very rich scent, kind of dark, but I honestly really enjoy it. Then I have Banana Republic Modern. This one's definitely more sweet, but still very like fresh. Then I have my Gucci perfumes, and these are my favorite fragrances of all time. I have Gucci Premier 2. This is like definitely more of a nighttime perfume. It's definitely a little darker, but I love it. And then the Gold Gucci Premier. They're all very similar. They have a very similar tone, but they kind of differ. This one's definitely more fresh, more of an everyday wear. This is similar, but a little bit deeper, and this one's very great for like nighttime or something like that. And then I have this little Love thing I got like at a Home Sense or something. I don't know, it just matches my decor, so I just keep it there. And then I have a Black Opium from YSL. I like this one. This one's definitely the most floral one I have, but it's nice to have some variation, and I love how all of these kind of match my decor, so that's why I kind of keep them up here. So I have this white mirror, and sometimes you guys ask me about it. I have no clue where it's from. It's just a simple white mirror. And then this is actually an IKEA shelf that you're supposed to hang up, like a floating shelf, but I keep it here because it holds all of my lip products perfectly. So right here I have all of my Milani beauties. So I have all of these statement lipsticks all the way through here, and they end right here at 55. Then from 60 onwards, I have all the mattes, so the matte statements from Milani. Then I have the new bold mattes that I actually just reviewed on my channel, so I'll link that video down below, but I just did a full review and swatch video on the bold mattes. Love how the packaging looks and everything, so I keep those up there. Then I have the new Satin Mats from Milani. A video will come out on these very, very soon. Haven't tried out all the shades yet though, so still working through that, but all of those right there. And then I also have my Milani metallic ones right here, so I just keep the 8 of them that I have just kind of bundled up here. But I absolutely am obsessed with my Milani products, so I like just displaying them and having them on hand. They're definitely my most used lip products, so since I love the packaging and the formula, obviously, I just keep everything right on display there. So that's really what takes up the most of my vanity. Then moving right along, I have this little holder, this gray holder. I actually 3D printed that myself. I designed it like 4 years ago back in grade 10 and 3D printed it. So I keep my Essence matte lipsticks in there, the matte ones on the first 2 rows, and then the bottom 2 rows I keep my Maybelline Bold lipsticks. So these are them right here. I just keep these on the bottom 2 rows there, just because they fit those 2 collections perfectly. Then I keep a bunch of lip liners in here. I have Maybelline lip liners here. I have Wet n Wild, the gel ones here, the Wet n Wild gels. I have the Wet n Wild pencil ones, which are huge, but they fit perfectly in that. And then I have the Maybelline twistable ones, the Color Sensational ones over here. So that's all my lip liners. Then back here I actually made this. It's just a gold frame that I found, and then on a piece of paper I just put a bunch of different lipsticks, and I made this literally right when I started my channel, so I was probably like 13, but I keep it around because it's a nice little memory, and I also think it's cute and it does match my decor. So then I have these 2 little acrylic holders. I got these from the dollar store, super cheap, and they hold lipsticks perfectly. And it's also like a staircase, so then your lipsticks all get higher and higher as you go to the back. I have all my Milani Amore matte lipsticks in here. These are one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas, so I just have to keep them here right beside all of my other Milani stuff, of course. And then I have my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink here as well. I love these ones. I just keep my favorite shades up here with the rest of them in my lip drawer, but these are the ones I use the most, so I just keep them up here. So then on my actual desk, I have this right here, this little cup thing. It's just a little white cup, and I keep all my eye brushes in here. I just cleaned them all, so you're welcome. But yeah, I just keep them in this little cup. Then I have this little mug that I got for one of my birthdays. It has a set of eyelashes, which I think is adorable, and I keep all my brushes that are dirty in here, so as this starts to fill up, then I know that I need to do some cleaning. And then in this drawer right here, I have all of my clean brushes. So I have a bunch of brushes in here of all kinds. I have double-sided ones, sponges, everything like that kind of stuffed in this drawer, but this way all my clean brushes stay tucked away and they're not just sitting out collecting dust. So I like it this way better because I find they stay cleaner this way, and I can just put everything in there that I'm not using, and then I can grab brushes from there, put them in here after I've used them. So that's just my brushes. Then I have this little mirror from Conair. I love this just because I can move it around. Technically, you're supposed to plug this in. I never do just because I have a ring light, so I don't use it that much, but it has the magnified side, has the regular side, and it's just perfect to have. I can move it around when I'm doing my makeup or filming or whatever. Then I have this mirror under here. I found this, I think, at a thrift store, and I think it's so beautiful just because it looks like so vintage and very like royal in a way, and I love using this for like lip swatches or in tutorials, just so I'm holding up a nice mirror and it's a nice change from that one. But yeah, I just kind of keep this under here. I think it adds a nice decor piece, and I think it's really cute. I don't actually have makeup in here. This is just like random items, so I'm not going to go through that since it's not makeup related. I just have like random USBs and chargers, and this drawer is just a mess, so we're not even going to go through that. Then moving up top to my Alex drawer, I have this little mug. It's a beautiful gold mug, and I keep the majority of my lip liners in here. I have a little tiara in there as well, but in here I have the Milani ones, which are all the ones with the gold packaging. Then I have the Rimmel retractable ones as well as the Rimmel pencil ones. So that's really what I have in here, Rimmel and Milani, and as you can see I have a lot of lip liners from them, but love keeping them in here. And then this is just a picture of me and my boyfriend, super cute. I'll link our channel down below. It's called LT Adventures if you want to see some like fun vlogs and stuff from us. Yeah, just quick plug there. But moving on, then over here I have this little jar thingy. I used to keep brushes in here, but I recently changed this up and put some of my favorite lip glosses in here. So everything except this one right here is actually Milani. So I have the Milani Ludicrous ones. These are brand new. I have some Milani lip color, the metallic ones. Then I just have some of their regular Keep It Full lip glosses. I just love Milani glosses and the packaging is really pretty, so I keep it all in there. And I just recently got this ColourPop one, have been trying it out, so I just stuck that in there. And then I have a little cute lip gloss section, especially in the summer. I do use a lot of lip gloss, so it's kind of nice just to have my favorites or the ones I'm using up there. Then moving to the front, I have another one of these envelope holders for like my bigger palettes and stuff like that. So I have this BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette. I just got this. It's still in the package. I haven't opened it up yet, but I'm keeping it up here because I need to use it. Then I have my Anastasia Jackie Aina palette. Love this one. Keep it up here. Then we have the Norvina palette, more purple and cute. I have my Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, super colorful. I absolutely adore this. I have my Morphe 35B palette. I'm not sure if they make this anymore, but again, another great colorful palette. Then I have this Faux Color Endless Possibilities palette. Again, pretty colorful, but I do enjoy this palette a lot. And then, of course, I have my Anastasia Norvina collection, volume 1. This is like heaven in a palette. I absolutely love the bright colors in here. So as you can kind of see, I keep bigger palettes as well as more colorful palettes in here, or just stuff that I'm wanting to use. So this does switch up. These back ones don't really switch up just because they're so big. I don't really have anywhere else to put them in my drawers. But these front ones do regularly change. So that is really what's on my vanity now. For those of you asking where everything is from, so my desk is just like an IKEA top, and then I just got some legs for it. And then this is also from IKEA, and you just put this on top of the desk, so it just gives you a little bit more storage space and it elevates everything a little. Then I have the Alex 9 drawer right there, and the Alex 5 right there. And then under my vanity, I don't know if this counts as part of the tour, but let's just do it anyways. I keep this little metal table. I have no idea where this is from, to be honest. Keep my hair tools in there, like hair straighteners, hair curlers, all of that. And then I have a makeup, then I have a color switching mat that I use for my brushes when doing tutorials. And I just pull this table out when I'm filming so that I have something to rest my products on and put all the makeup on. So that's just what I take out when I'm filming. And then under there, I have my LED mask. I have some products that I haven't tried out yet, or some skincare tools and stuff that don't have a space right now. So just a bunch of stuff that's kind of waiting to be put somewhere, but that's where it's kind of is for now. So yeah, guys, that's really it for my vanity tour. This is everything on my vanity. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions about anything, or if you want to see more like my makeup collection or something like that, let me know down below in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you're also having a fantastic day. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.